sausage and peppers over grits. 2 cups of water, half cup yellow corn grits, 1 teaspoon butter, 2 cloves of garlic, half cup shredded cheese, semi-soft to semi-hard cheese. I'm using a mix of manchego cheese for the sharpness and Gouda cheese for the creaminess. Salt, fresh pepper, sausage. I'm using a slightly spicy chicken sausage, 1 onion, 2 peppers of any color, 1 handful of cilantro. Cut the peppers. Cut the onion as well. Cut the cilantro very fine. Slice the garlic very thin. Add the butter and garlic into a saucepan on medium-low heat. When the butter turns brown and smoky, add the water. When the water starts boiling, add salt, pepper, and whisk in the grits. When the water comes back to boiling, lower the heat to very low and let it cook, whisk in every minute or so. In a large saute pan, add about 2 tablespoons cooking oil on medium-high heat. Add the onions and peppers. Let them cook undisturbed for at least 2 minutes. Meanwhile, check on your grits. If they become too thick, add some more water. And continue cooking. Stir the peppers and let's cook some more. The fact that we let them cook undisturbed for 2 minutes allows some caramelization to happen at the bottom, which gives it much deeper flavor. Stir and let them cook undisturbed again for a couple of minutes. The peppers and onions are tender and caramelized. Add the sausage, add salt and pepper. The cilantro, stir very well, then lower the heat to minimum. Nestle the sausage into the peppers and onions until it gets hot all throughout. We'll finish up the grits. They should be nice and smooth, cook through. The grains are translucent. Then we add the cheese. Stir very well until it's nice and creamy. When the sausage is hot, we are ready to plate. I used already fully cooked sausage. That's why I put it straight into the pan. If you're using raw sausage, cook it first in the oven, then add it to the pan. Spoon the grits onto the plate. Add the peppers in the middle. Add the sausage. Et voilà. Bon appétit. Enjoy. Like and subscribe because there is more coming.